Hello, everybody. Welcome back. Fields of Fire 2, Peleliu Campaign, Mission 1, Turn 9. Um, we are trying to take one or the other of these two um, objectives. We've lost an awful lot of guys, and we have both of them pinned and both of them broken down in the fire teams. So we're just going to have to keep the pressure up at this point. Um, so I've got this turn and next turn to do it in. Friendly headquarters phase. And we got a HQ. So we're going to draw a. First off, let's get this over here where maybe you can see it. Go to Peleliu, higher headquarters, and this is us. We draw a 2. 2 on mission 1 is Semper Fi Mac. Any 2 to 4 LAT steps in the same card, pinned or not, may reform into a squad if a squad is available to reform. 2 to 4 LAT steps on the same card, pinned or not. That might be a good one. We have well, it's not going to be casualties. It has to be a fire team, litter team. I don't think paralyzed. Any 2 to 4 LAT steps. Well, we're going to take and put their veteran, which will make them go down the line. We're going to take the litter team and the fire team, make him line. And that's a 1-1. So 1-1 will get back all his casualties. But the compromise will be we'll be line right now. Okay. That's all right. I'll take that. All right. So we go then back to the sequence of play. Friendly command phase. We're going to activate our company headquarters. We are running out of leadership fast. And we're going to get him his commands. He's veteran, so he gets +1. See where I got him hiding out too. Over here, so he's not under any kind of fire. We can reconstitute them too. We may just do that. 3, 4. 4 commands. 3, 4. I don't know. 1, 2, 3, 4. We got the XO over here. We got to try to reconstitute. But we're gonna. It's not gonna happen this turn. We're gonna go ahead and activate 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That gives him 1 command left. One, two. I could probably. I hate doing that though. I think I'm just gonna leave him be. These guys can all be firing into here too. Damn, do I want to take that chance again? We really ripped our guys a new asshole by doing grenade attacks last time, but we need this area. All right. Fuck it. We're gonna try. His last command will be get him to try to do a grenade attack on these guys right here. So we need 2 cards. Missing and missing. Grenade miss. Which will negate this one. And that'll be everybody on this card. All right. Next we go down to platoon and company staff impulses. Let's do. Where are we at here? We got first platoon, second platoon right there. Third platoon's over here. Be nice to get him up there with the demo, but if they miss that demo, that's a bad one. And he's green. Um, these guys are in pretty good shape up here, though. We do have a flamethrower. Now let's issue third platoon some commands anyway. He's green, -1, 1 command. That's all he's going to have. I think we're going to keep them firing. The company gunny's got these guys firing over there, so we'll keep them firing. The company first sergeant, rather. These guys aren't firing anybody. I should get them firing on there. Well, we're not there yet. I'm going to save that command, and we're going to use that for an emergency bull rush next turn if we don't get this. Second platoon, green, 5 commands. That's a good one if we can use them. We are definitely going to issue a fire onto these guys. They should have been firing anyway. That's going to push a crossfire up here. Okay, gives us a little bit more. Not much else we can do. We're kind of stuck right where we're at. I don't want to keep loading guys up here, and I don't want to move the leader up there and have him exposed on a +2 card, especially since we're throwing all kinds of munitions already, and I'm losing too much brass, so I'm not willing to lose another one. But we could unpin these guys. But do we need to? Because we've got the volume of fire coming in the grenades. We really don't need to. I don't know what to do with him. We're really kind of stuck right there. I'm going to hold him and save him. I hate doing that because I just lost 2 commands, but I don't want to do anything real stupid yet neither. Mortar section, green, 2 commands. He's going to issue a fire to all 3 of his guys. All 3 of them going to be going in after this one, I think. So 2 cards for him. We're looking for grenades. Not that. So he misses. Deja vu. We did this last time. There's 1 hit. So that's a grenade hit. 2 of them in the same card. Very nice. But we'll take it. Grenade hit. And that's a 4. And then 1 more. Grenade hit right off the bat. So that we're doing a lot better on this round. Alright, that's 3 commands off of him. 2, 3. Flip that. We'll go to the first sergeant. He's veteran +1. 6. Takes him up to 9 commands. Do I want to platoon infiltrate forward for 2? That would be 3. 3 cards for an infiltration. Let's try it. 1, 2, 3. Exhort. 4. Oh boy, we're exposed. Damn it. Oh boy. Didn't want that. We're going to search him for cover then. We're already exposed. I don't want to get too much in there. They're pinned though. You know what? They can go move right into there. 3. Okay, I'm going to hold him right there. Call all these guys under them trenches. Alright. Then we go down to general initiative. One. This assault is not pinned. And let me read up on that. I went and put my book away. Very nice. I got to read up on flame attacks because I haven't done them yet. So flamethrower attacks 35. Man-portable flamethrower is going to be used to attack a specific enemy cover or field fortification. Well, in this instance, it's foxholes. Point blank range are on the same card. It's automatic. When ordered, place the flamethrower attack marker on the targeted enemy cover or field or fortification. Expend one of the two available shots. So, flamethrower attack marker. I wonder what that is actually. Give me a second while I figure out what the hell the flamethrower attack marker is, because as I said, I've never got the chance to use them before. And I don't see it. Just put all my pieces away. I'm wondering if one of them didn't make it into grenade, sniper, crossfire, incoming, grenade, basic, mines, flamethrowers. It doesn't show anything. I want to use them. How do I use them? Flamethrower attack markers, huh? You know what? I'm going to have to pause this and go online and kind of chase this one down. Let me pause you guys out. I shall return. All right, that was like a rabbit hole. Um, okay, I did make a piece. See if it shows up in my. For flame attacks. I'll put that there. And then that gets taken care of in the beginning of the combat phase. So we were in the general impulse, and that was my general impulse, that one command. So now we go to enemy higher headquarters, and we draw an action card. And we get an enemy action headquarters for them too. That's probably not going to be good. So again, we'll go to campaigns, Peleliu, higher headquarters, IGAA, mission 1. And we draw 1. Discard. Evacuate casualties. All casualties on non-US occupied cards are removed. Okay. Well, these are not on a US card. And that's it. Okay, not that horrible. Okay, yes, I am rusty on the rules on this. I think everybody that plays it are, and you gotta keep a rule book handy, and you're gonna make mistakes, but it is a very fun game to play, so just deal with it, and I apologize in advance if I make mistakes or things get a little long-winded. It is what it is. It's Fields of Fire, but it's fun to play. Enemy activity segment. We'll go to the enemy activity hierarchy. Both of them are pinned, and both are on U.S. occupied cards, but both are under cover. So we'll go draw a 1 to 5 card. Reshuffle. 4. Fall back. And I don't think we put. Maybe we do. The fallbacks are a little confusing to me. We're going to go in order anyway. Fallback casualty can't fall back, so this guy can. Um, I read somewhere that this first mission was locked in 4x4 cards. But I don't know if that's rules or not. And right now I'm not even going to check it out. I'm just going to go ahead to our um, Peleliu missions, map construction, 1 to 3. And we would put in an airfield next. So maybe we'll just put an airfield in and move him there and keep him. Um, draw specific cards. Airfield. Flip. And he will go back there. And he is pinned and exposed. And the second guy. Again, 1 to 5. Gets a 4. He's going to do the exact same thing. Fall back. That just made that so much easier. If we just now took this position, he's going to be captured. Flamethrower attack's going to be a mute point. These guys, first one is a fire team also. 5-2, discard, no action. The second one, 5-1, no action, discard. They're going to hold out. So then we go to manual capture and retreat. Capture any paralyzed little teams and load on a card. Well, we don't have any. Retreat any non-pinned, non-captured, paralyzed team under VOF marker. 1 card to better cover and mark exposed. We don't have any under VOF. Same with litter teams and stuff, and we just reconstituted with them. No vehicles anymore. Update fire missions. Evaluate potential contacts. We did none. Combat effects segment. Pinned vehicle or infantry car units on a card without a VOF. Remove the pinned markers. We have none. And resolve flame attacks. There are none anymore, so that's going to go away. So now we go in and we resolve the NCMs as we go. So over here we got -4, -8, -1 is -9, -10, -11, +2 is -9, +1 for foxholes is -8, +1 for pinned is -7. So -7 for the first fire team is a hit, and they're green. Fire team, so he's just going to remain pinned. Second one, hit, green, paralyzed. Special rules in Peleliu say that paralyzed is a casualty. So we got one more out of the way. Replace with a casualty, and actually that does not work, so let me just delete that and clone him. Don't even need to keep them undercover anymore. Okay, so down to our guys. +2, -2, because the grenade misses, is 0. All pinned is +2. So we're at +2, +3, +4. So 1-1 and the paralyzed. 1-1 first, +4. Miss. No longer pinned. And paralyzed. Pinned. And I only want the paralyzed pinned. Yeah. But he's still undercover, so we'll do something stupid like that. Alright. Then these guys are not undercover. Oh, they're casualties anyway. It doesn't matter. Moot point. So that's it. Over here, VOF stays. I don't think we're supposed to update that already. This is where I get confused. Because they're supposed to go and they moved out of them. If I move somebody out of here, VOF wouldn't follow him, he'd be exposed. So he doesn't follow him. Their VOF will stay as they're following us coming in out. So, alright, we'll do that. +2, +4. Um, +5, +6 for the trenches. So 1-3 and the 3-2 assault, or +6. Pin, of course. And a miss. That's alright though. So they're pinned. Alright, and the exposed one's coming in a minus, the +4. So we have Company First Sergeant, Assault, and MMG in that order. Company First Sergeant's a miss. Assault, miss. Last but not least is a pin. And machine gun is pinned. Alright, so that's it. Okay, cleanup phase. Alright. Adjust VOF and PDF as needed. We no longer have this one. That's going to go up here. Actually, we'll keep that like that. All pin stays the same there. Automatic weapons, negative on that. Delete. Delete. That pin should be gone. So this is the only stack that's firing here now. He's pinned, so that will just be small arms now. Alright, and over here, that stays all pinned. And we keep everybody firing into there. This one we're going to have to call off the attack. This one we're going to have to call off the attack. So, alright, that's the end of turn 9. Turn 10 will be up next. Final turn, but we've already met our objective because this one's cleared. So we'll try to clear the other one now too for just a couple more XPs to try and save ourselves some hassles. So thanks for joining me. We're winding this down. Looks like we're going to survive it, but it's not pretty. As you see, I have an awful lot of C's here. And we're going to have to rebuild our platoon to take that airfield. So, all right, thanks for joining me. You all have a good night. And that is Fields of Fire 2, Peleliu Campaign Mission 1, Turn 9, complete.